Welcome to this detailed guide on importing and exporting your WordPress posts and articles. If you've ever wanted to transfer your website content to another WordPress site or simply create a backup, this tutorial will walk you through every step clearly and easily, so you can complete the process in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find the login link. Go ahead and click it. WordPress keeps its login button in a prominent area, so it's easy to locate. After clicking the link, you'll be asked to log into your account. You can use your email and password, but for this tutorial, we'll choose the simpler and more secure method, logging in with Google. Select Continue with Google, and a new window will appear. Choose the Google account you want to use, and WordPress will automatically authenticate your login. This saves you time and keeps your credentials secure. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all your site management happens. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Scroll down and find the option labeled Tools. Click on Tools and you'll see two key functions, Import and Export. These are what we'll use to transfer your posts and articles. Let's start with Export. Click on Export and you'll be taken to a page that lets you choose what you want to download. To export your posts and articles, select the option that says Posts. Then click the Download Export File button. This will create an XML file, basically a small data package that contains all your selected posts and articles. Save this file somewhere you can easily find it, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. Now, let's move on to importing content into another WordPress site. Go back to the dashboard and click on Tools again, then choose Import. WordPress will show you several platforms you can import from, but since we're moving content from one WordPress site to another, select the option that says WordPress. If it's your first time doing this, WordPress might ask you to install the WordPress Importer plugin. Click Install Now and then Run Importer. Once that's ready, you'll be asked to upload your WordPress export file, the one you downloaded earlier. You can either drag and drop the file into the upload area or click Choose File to browse your computer and select it manually. After uploading, click Upload File and Import. You'll then see an option asking how you want to assign authors. You can either assign posts to an existing author on your site or create a new one. When that's done, make sure to check the box that says Download and Import File Attachments if you want to include images and other media. Finally, click Submit and WordPress will begin importing your content. After a few moments, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the process is complete. That's it. You've successfully imported your WordPress posts and articles. With just a few clicks, you can easily transfer or back up your website content whenever you need to. Managing your WordPress posts doesn't have to be complicated. Once you know where to find the import and export tools, it becomes quick, reliable, and stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy WordPress guides, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.